Welcome to this video on creating habitat with no yard. We'll show you how to use California native plants in containers for balconies, patios, driveways, and other small spaces.
The core idea is that habitat can be portable. You don't need a full yard. Use containers and grouped pots to create a cluster of habitat that offers nectar, pollen, seed, shelter, and water. Select plants based on your county, zip code, sun exposure, and microclimate. California natives are adapted to local climates and support essential wildlife like bees, butterflies, birds, and lizards. They provide nectar and pollen on time, offer structure and shelter, and reduce the need for high-water ornamental plants. Remember, being native to California is not enough. You must match the county and microclimate. Follow this 7-point checklist for container design. Track sun exposure. Use the largest containers you can manage. Choose fast-draining soil and group plants by water need. Plant for multiple seasons of bloom and structure. Leave some stems and seed heads for shelter and avoid all pesticides. Here is a starter plant palette for container-friendly natives. Consider pollinator workhorses like buckwheats and native sages. For hummingbirds, think about California fuchsia. Dry patio areas can use dudleya or native grasses. For an edible edge, native strawberries work well. Always verify local compatibility by zip code before buying. Thinking county by county is crucial. Different regions, such as coastal, bay/central coast, southern CA, Central Valley, and desert/mountain counties, require specific types of natives based on their climate. Use Calscape to verify the best choices for your specific zip code. A small garden can offer multiple habitat layers: nectar and pollen from flowers, host plants and shelter from leaves and stems, seed and texture for birds, and water and refuge using shallow dishes. Plant in clusters to make it easier for pollinators to find the flowers. Here are 5 no-yard habitat layouts to match your space. A balcony habitat needs 3 to 5 containers grouped by water need. A patio corner uses 1 anchor pot and seasonal support pots. A townhouse terrace can use rail planters and a vertical shelf. Driveway edges are great for troughs, and rental setups should feature movable pots or plant stands. Avoid common mistakes like buying plants solely by the California native label without verifying county and zip code, using small pots that overheat, or mixing plants with different water needs. Also, never use pesticides and leave seed heads for the birds. The best rule is to design for the actual site, not just the nursery tag. Recommended sources include Calscape, the California Native Plant Society, and the UC Master Gardener Program. Start your 7-day action plan by picking a space, measuring sun exposure, searching Calscape, choosing large containers, grouping plants by water need, adding water, and observing wildlife. Remember, no yard does not mean no habitat.